Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you 5 quick and easy exercises to do. So, the first exercise is for students to do before lessons is circling your head and afterwards switching the way. We continue with alternating circling with hands. The next exercise is writing in the air, starting with your offhand and then switching. We write high above our head. For our fourth exercise, we stretch ourselves with crossing our feet and swinging to the floor. Last off, we just do a little exercise for our brain hemisphere so they connect and become more efficient.